Hello friends! Tonight I am experimenting with another ready-to-pour paint from DecoArt. I'm going to try a kiss pour. I poured black and white into 1 cup and the primaries, well, not quite the primaries, they were a blue, tropical blue, lemon yellow, and magenta. Into the other cup, and I'm going to do a kiss pour, see what happens. It occurs to me I've never done a kiss pour before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. And I don't like that little speck I got there. It dripped from the cup into my black. I really want to get rid of that. Do I dare do this? Okay, well, that was interesting. It's better than it was. Okay. Let's move it around a bit, see what happens. I like the black and white. Look at these little white dots popping up like stars. It's kind of, looks like a black wave, like a sunset over a black wave. Quite know where to go with this. Which side? No. Well, I'll bring that over there. I love black. I'm not sure what to make of this. I don't know what I was expecting, but not this. Kind of neat. Let's bring the weight down here and move that more diagonally. Let's look at it for a moment here. What have we got? Interesting. I wasn't expecting, and I don't want any cells. A very interesting shadowing thing going on there. I kind of like it. I think it's interesting where the two meet. I'm gonna have to live with this for a bit, and it's hard to appreciate it on the messy background. It's interesting. I think this one is definitely one that calls for an embellishment of some sort. I don't know. It's interesting. I keep saying that. I'll stop saying that now, and I will stop. Get the glare off of there. Now I've taken my gloves off. I'm such a klutz. I'm still learning. What the heck? I don't care if I get some paint on my hands. Wouldn't be the first time. Let me bring this up. Kind of fun, actually. Definitely is one I will embellish. Not sure what. I have some ideas, but I don't want to commit to anything just yet. Okay, well, thanks for experimenting with me. See you later. Bye-bye.